Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. Now follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys, but before I show you the step, don't forget to hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to come to victoriasecret.com, which is the official website of Victoria's Secret. Once you do that, you need to purchase something. Now purchase whatever you want, alright? So I'm gonna purchase a random stuff over here because in order to redeem your card you need to purchase something. So I'm gonna go for a random purchase. Now once you order something, it's gonna show up on the side like this. Over here, scroll a bit down and click on continue to checkout. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to the checkout section. Over here you need to enter your address over here where you want it to be delivered. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on where it says continue to deliver. And after you do that, you want to click on continue to offers and payment. Now once you're over here, you can see the option called gift cards. Click on it and enter your gift card number and enter your gift card's pin. Once you do that, click on apply, and the information of your gift card over here is correct. It's going to be loaded over here. Then you can scroll a bit down, click on continue to order review, and your item will be purchased using your gift card. So yes, that's how you guys can redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.